Hello and welcome on back to the next part in this wintry Iceland series. I am Lewis, you are watching Lost in Travel, and today we feel like doing something a bit different from our previous outing.
Welcome on here to Blue Lagoon.
Instead of facing the wrath of a snow blizzard, freezing our fingers off beside explosive waterfalls, or heaving our legs through knee-deep snow to see a glacier. But oh god, I'm having an amazing time, guys. This is honestly one of the best trips I've ever been on. We felt like it was time to forget we were doing our adventure in -5 degrees for a little while and have some much needed relaxation. In other words, I was in need of a spa day. So welcome on here to Blue Lagoon. As you know, Iceland is basically just a volcano. Like, it's surrounded by volcanoes, it's got so much volcanic activity around the whole island, and due to all the volcanic activity, hot springs have just been generated, really, because Iceland is really cold. These hot springs have been turned into lagoons where people can go, relax, have a spa day, and just heat up from all the other winter activities that you can do around the island. So that's where we're going to be going today. I'm going to be changing this whole look into this.
Welcome on here to Blue Lagoon.
I found a diamond, I found a gem, I found the answer without pencil or pen. I saw you standing there, surrounded by your friends. I knew right then that I would know you till the world would end. I think that we could make a little bit of magic together. I think I've known it from the start. Come on, baby, let me take you away. Take a little trip wherever, on a plane or on a train or on a spaceship to the stars. Take my hand.
So I don't exactly know what the temperature of this is, but it's just mental how it's just all natural. Like, it's not a heated pool. This is made from the elements of the earth, and it's getting hit up due to the volcanoes, and we're just using it just to relax here. And I really think we're going to find it difficult to leave this place. We just went into an even more hotter part of the lagoon. You might really feel like I'm bathing in a volcano. So, as part of our normal package here at the Blue Lagoon, we also get a couple things included. So, of course, we got our locker, and one other thing that we also get is we also get one free face mask as part of this too. So, we can probably feel on the map. One more thing that you also get with it is $5 o'clock Sunday, right?
It's been a long day for change. It's been a long wait, but I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I'm on my way.
Oh. This bigger than sorry about the cannibal. The water's beautiful, and I'm more. Definitely with this face mask on. Look at me, I look. Mwah. Who would have loved me now? Hey, no, don't go back! Oh, you're sitting on me! God! This is why you don't take your mum to a spa. Imagine Aiden just went like this.
Face mask on and he's curly hair. Imagine he'd be like, because he's so tall, imagine him trying to get under the water. Like, because it's not that deep.
He would be so cold that everyone's warm. So if you're past, you may be querying how long do you actually get to spend here in the water at Blue Lagoon. Oh, it's nice and hot here. And I was wondering myself, so I asked, and we are planning on leaving it for a few hours, going to do one of the walks that's recommended on their website and returning. And I was wondering if we were able to. And I found out, I'm slipping about here, I found out that you're actually able to be in here all day. They advise to be in here for about 2 to 3 hours, but we found out that we are able to come here, go out to do one of the walks and return. As long as we've got something in our locker so that the pass still works. So that's what we're planning on doing. We're going to leave for a few hours and then we're going to come back, relax, because our transfer is not until 6 PM. I don't even know what the time is right now, so it could be 6 PM now. Don't think it is, but the more you know. Someone was watching me though. It's so hot, I don't really want to leave, but I think we're going to go for a sauna, so that'll be pretty hot. I've never been for a sauna before, so let's watch me sweat. Oh God, what are you up to? With your tripod. Room time. Caution, it's slippery when wet. Oh, coming in. Oh, yeah, it's just sort of go behind it. Oh my gosh. This air is very. It's hard to breathe in here, man. Oh. My first steam room reaction. Oh my God, I need to get out of here. Oh, no, I need to get back in there now. So, I didn't realise how clear the water was going to be. I honestly thought it was just edited to be like that. Like, I knew it was going to be quite blue, but I didn't expect it to be this blue. It's one of the bluest water I've ever seen, and like, I knew this is all just made due to the natural causes of Iceland. So we went away on our walk, and it looks like there's hotels as well, so you can stay here and have the full-on luxury. There's walking paths that are recommended by the Blue Lagoon, so we just decided to take one. It's about an hour and a half, and we'll just see where it takes us. But if you don't know, one of the volcanoes around here, here's the name. It was erupting from about March 2021 right up to about December, and we were going to go see it, but of course it stopped before this trip happened, obviously. But this volcano is quite close to here, and we were actually intending to go and walk up the volcano today. That was the original plan. I had it already put in the itinerary, but of course it stopped erupting, coincidentally, just before we were going to come here. So we just had to look on their website, and we saw that they were actually promoting tour, like a little walking paths that you could go on. So we're just going to walk around the hot springs. As you see, it's very volcanic in this area. You can see that just the ground that we're walking on and the rugged terrain, it really does feel like you're about to enter the inside of a volcano.
I saw new colors in your eyes, a world so vibrant and alive, like fireflies in late July. You crashed into me ever bright, and you are my morning light.
So our little walk takes us to these gorgeous lagoons here, and they're just as blue as the ones we were swimming in, but obviously these are just natural hot springs. They're just so gentle, and I think they're really, really hot, but especially these ones, I could probably just put my finger in and just see. So if I go out to here, alright, here goes nothing. Let me just see. If I go like that, yeah, these are hot. Well, not really hot, like lukewarm, kind of warm water, but just shows you that nature is just doing its finest. Like, they don't lie when they say this is a volcanic area. As you can just see by just touching the water behind me. Wow, what an amazing view you get over one of the lagoons just from stepping up that slope. It's the way the water it just mixes well with the winter scenes here. It's just a little bit of snow just on the side and then just the hot bubbling water. This is insane. This is what Iceland's like. It's got so many different landscapes that you can end up in. Blue Lagoon, a lot better than I expected. We actually spent about 3 hours in the water. I don't even know if that's good for you, but it's getting to be very smooth now after putting that face mask on. My mum tempted me with some custard creams, and you know you can't refuse custard creams. I would never think that there would be such a treat I'd be having every single day here in Iceland, but custard creams have been keeping me going. As they do back home, and as they should do everywhere else in the world.
Why can't we be friends? If it's so much easier before we got our feelings hurt, and I can't pretend that it's easy. Why